Detroit, often referred to as the Motor City, stands as a testament to resilience and innovation in American history. Once the epicenter of the automotive industry, it revolutionized transportation and economic development in the United States. The city's roots stretch back to 1701 when French explorer Antoine de la Mothe Cadillac founded a fort that would eventually evolve into a bustling settlement. Over centuries, Detroit transformed from a fur trading post into a thriving manufacturing hub, driven by the booming automobile industry in the early 20th century. During the 1910s and 1920s, Detroit experienced rapid growth, attracting a diverse influx of workers seeking opportunities in factories, particularly in automobile assembly plants operated by giants like Ford, General Motors, and Chrysler. This era marked the city's rise as a symbol of American industrial might. The assembly line innovation, pioneered by Henry Ford, revolutionized manufacturing, making automobiles affordable for the average American and fueling the city's prosperity. However, Detroit's prosperity was not without challenges. The decline of manufacturing in the latter half of the 20th century led to economic downturns, urban decay, and population decline. White flight, deindustrialization, and racial tensions contributed to significant demographic shifts and socio-economic disparities. The 1967 Detroit riot marked a turning point, exposing deep racial divides and economic struggles. The city's population peaked at over 1.85 million in 1950 but has since dwindled to just over 600,000 residents today. Despite these hardships, Detroit has demonstrated remarkable resilience. In recent decades, the city has undergone a renaissance driven by a wave of revitalization efforts, entrepreneurial spirit, and cultural resurgence. Downtown Detroit has seen an influx of new businesses, art galleries, and restaurants, transforming it into a vibrant hub for both residents and visitors. The city's historic architecture, including the Renaissance Center and Fox Theater, has been restored, preserving its rich heritage. Culturally, Detroit boasts a profound legacy in music. It's regarded as the birthplace of Motown, a genre that revolutionized American music and launched the careers of legendary artists such as Stevie Wonder, Diana Ross, and Marvin Gaye. The city's musical influence extends beyond Motown, encompassing jazz, blues, and techno, making it a diverse cultural landscape. Education and innovation also play key roles in Detroit's ongoing development. Institutions like the University of Michigan's Detroit Center and Wayne State University foster research, arts, and community engagement. The city is investing in emerging technologies, including autonomous vehicles and clean energy, aiming to position itself as a leader in future industries. Furthermore, Detroit's commitment to sustainability is evident through numerous urban renewal projects focused on green spaces, eco-friendly transportation, and sustainable housing. The Detroit Riverwalk and Belle Isle Park offer residents and visitors scenic retreats amidst urban surroundings, emphasizing the city's dedication to improving quality of life. The city's sports scene holds a special place in its identity. Detroit boasts passionate support for its professional teams: Red Wings, hockey, Tigers, baseball, Lions, football, and Pistons, basketball. These teams foster community spirit and serve as sources of pride for Detroiters. In recent years, Detroit has become a magnet for entrepreneurs, artists, and young professionals. The city's affordability compared to other major urban centers has attracted startups and creatives seeking space to innovate. Co-working spaces, art districts like the Eastern Market, and a thriving craft beverage scene exemplify this dynamic transformation. Yet, challenges remain. Addressing economic inequality, improving public transportation, and ensuring sustainable growth are ongoing priorities. Community organizations and city officials collaborate to develop inclusive policies that aim to lift all residents and preserve Detroit's unique character. The city's diverse neighborhoods, each with its own distinct personality, contribute to its rich tapestry. From the historic Corktown to the vibrant Mexican town, Detroit's neighborhoods reflect a blend of cultural influences and histories. Preservation efforts aim to maintain this diversity while fostering economic development. Environmental concerns also influence Detroit's future. Efforts to remediate industrial sites, manage urban sprawl, and promote renewable energy sources are integral to the city's sustainability plans. The Detroit Future City Framework emphasizes resilience, equity, and long-term planning to ensure a thriving urban environment. The automotive industry continues to evolve, with Detroit at the forefront of autonomous vehicle development and electric vehicle innovation. Companies like Ford and General Motors invest heavily in research, positioning Detroit as a leader in transportation technology. This shift aims to create new jobs and modernize the city's industrial landscape. Tourism is an increasingly vital sector for Detroit, with visitors attracted to its museums, historic sites, music festivals, and culinary scene. The Detroit Institute of Arts houses an impressive collection, including Diego Rivera murals and works from renowned artists. Events like the Detroit Jazz Festival draw crowds from around the world, showcasing the city's cultural vitality. Community-led initiatives focus on urban farming, education, and social justice, fostering grassroots movements that aim to rebuild Detroit from within. These efforts highlight the city's strong sense of identity and commitment to shaping its future collectively. In conclusion, Detroit epitomizes the complex narrative of American industrialism, decline, and regeneration. Its rich history, cultural diversity, and unwavering spirit continue to shape its trajectory, making it a city of both challenge and opportunity. As it navigates the 21st century, Detroit remains a symbol of innovation, resilience, and hope for communities across the globe.